Hello guys, what's up? How are you guys? Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show a small demo about how to make a booking for a resort. This the demo is to show that you can organize your bookings, room bookings, and you can track the payments, and you can know the status, and you can easily view all this information in your Google Calendar, right? So basically, I have done this thing in Google Calendar and Google Sheet. So let's get into it. So first of all, you know how to make a booking, right? So basically, you just go to this Excel sheet, okay? And what you're gonna do is basically enter the name of the person who is coming or booking. Jaminder, go for Jaminder. Was right. He's coming on 6th, 8, 2023. And he's gonna let's just put 2023. That's wrong. 6th 8 2023. Okay, I have to write it properly, right? Okay, 2023. Got it. Okay, and he's gonna come for room number 2. Okay, um, you don't need to I just put the time part just for the room number at the moment. You can organize whichever the way you want. Chaminda was wants something like he wants biryani ready for lunch, special biryani. Okay, already has already also ordered biryani. Okay, and he wants AC portable, even though it's cold. This requirement. So let's put it. And initially, normally when they haven't anybody hasn't paid, you just put tomato color or red color. Okay, you can put the number. Okay, how much he's gonna get? Charge. You put the charge. Okay, 45,000. He's paying 5,000, right? By advance. And so you just copy the previous one and put it over here. And so 45,000 minus 5,000 is 40,000. You get these things, right? You can even send a WhatsApp if you put the phone number over here. Okay, so let me just put the WhatsApp details. No, I don't want to, because I don't want to show my personal WhatsApp thing. But as you work, you will see what we can do, right? Okay, so I enter these details, and what next is that you have to add and update these details to the Google Calendar, right? So you will get a small menu in this side, right? And I will hide all these details in the future. Okay, so maybe you might need to copy the link. You send somebody the link. So these are the things I'll show you later. So you click the update button. Okay, so you change it into green color, so it means it's updated. So you go for your calendar. You can have your phone calendar or the desktop or whichever the one. And you see Chamindavas 2023 August 2 a.m. So you got the details. So red color means not paid, blue color means paid, or whatever the coding you want to have, you can have all these details. But from this information, you can know that okay, I have a booking. You can check it this in from your phone or whichever the way. So to wrap it up, you enter the booking details, the name, the time, the date, okay, and then the details of the booking, set the color coding, phone number, the price, you know, and it will automatically come. And you can even add all that additional details like the country, passport number. If you had any expenses, you can add all these expenses and everything. That's a separate total different requirements. But you can add all these things. You can even generate invoices. That's a total different next step. For the moment, these are the things. So you enter the basic details, update it, and then you will see it in your calendar or your phone. So you can take action and you can take off your guest in a healthy way and a clear way, and everybody knows what's happening in the company. Thank you so much for watching. Until next, bye. Wassalam.